my days have just been cleaning and sleeping or resting, you know, just laying in bed, not doing very much. Yeah, no, I feel a mild big sad coming on. Hopefully won't be a big sad. So, yeah. I don't know. I have some tools to help myself with those kind of situations. One of which is an app called Finch. Now, Finch is so cute. It's a mental health app. I'm gonna show you, like, here, I'm gonna put the app up here, and there'll be a voiceover. I need to tidy up one place in my apartment real quick so that I can check it off the list on that app. But that's gonna be my counters. I want to start going to bed with a clean counter. That's what I need to wake up to, because otherwise, like, everything's in shambles and I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Anyways, to the app. Let me explain that to you. Okay, so the Finch app, it's really cute. When you open it up, it'll give you the day and all this stuff, and then you just start the day, and it'll give you a little affirmation. This one is, new opportunities will bloom for me soon. And isn't that picture just so cute? Like, spring is near. At the bottom here, you'll see it says, how motivated are you for the day? And you can just kind of do like a rating from 1 to 5. I think right now I'm kind of in between like 3 and 4, but I'll do 4. So this is my little Maurice. They're all grown up. It has this button here flashing that says see who's visiting, and you can click on that. And it'll just show you that someone came to say hello and that they care. And you can either do appreciate the positive vibes or appreciate the positive vibes and ask them to stay. And that's usually what I do. I usually close this out afterward. And now you see that they are in our room. Isn't that so cute? They're flexing on us. I don't know why. That's adorable. But in here, you have a couple things you can do. So if we scroll down, I have some daily goals that usually just pop up for me, right? And some of these are preloaded. Some of them I've put in for myself. You can always add more goals right here. But if we are to go back and scroll up, it says ready for a great day. Now you can notice that on the right side of each of these, there's a number with an energy level, and that corresponds to the energy level right here. Right now I'm 5 out of 40 because of our little friend who came through. To gain energy for the day, you want to gain energy for the day to go on adventures, which helps your little penguin grow. And to do that, you can do some of these tasks right here. Ready for a great day. We're just going to do like a morning reflection right now. So it's going to ask a question. Today's is, what made you happy today? Well, let me tell you what, it's pretty early, which is actually making me happy. I wake up around this time, actually usually on my weekends. So I'm going to write that down, that I woke up not only in a good mood and feeling fully rested, but also I woke up earlier than I normally do. Now I can get more done, even if it's just getting more relaxation in. And now, if you were looking down at the bottom left corner where it has the energy level, the more you type, the more energy you get. I try not to do super like long-winded things with unnecessary stuff unless I've already gone on my journey, because like I do like to talk. I'm just gonna press the done button now, and it's gonna give you this. And look, I'm now 25 energies out of 40. And you can always do some of these exercises that it brings up. It says dig deeper, more exercises for you. You can do with a height machine. It's gonna give you another question. Unwind breathing. So we're just gonna click the unwind breathing because it's the only one on here that's not just like a typing thing. and it's going to give you the instructions. So basically, like, it's a breathing exercise. And you can do normal, you can do easy mode. I'm just going to do normal, and we're going to start this, and let's have a nice little breathing exercise. So when it gets bigger and lighter, you're inhaling through your nose, and then you're going to hold it for as long as it says. And now we're going to exhale through our nose, and then just repeat this. And voila, we're done. So a lot of these on here are writing things. One that isn't is goals of the day, where you can just go in and add different tasks and stuff. So I'm going to add a few for my day, just like things that I want to do. But it'll have different sections for different things. There's a New Year's goal right now because it's January, I suppose. And then sleep, exercise, loved ones, presents, and tidy up. Right now, I'm trying my best to drink a lot of water. So I'm going to add that twice. And let's see. I'm going to hype myself up with some motivational music today, hopefully. When it comes to sleep, today I'm going to try to not take a nap. I'm going to try and be pretty productive. Today also is gym day. So usually on gym days, I'll go into the exercise. And let's see. It is core day, ab day, whatever you want to call it. So there's usually not anything in terms of core, but we'll do a 10-second plank. I don't do 10-second planks, but we'll put that in there, and that will be my gym goal, is to do planks. And so as you can see, we've added a bunch of these, and you can tap here if you want to add something random. I'm going to say watercolors, because that is something that I need to do, because I keep forgetting to do it. We're going to do done and add it here. And as you can see, we've got all of our energy. And Maurice is feeling stronger. So down at the bottom, it says Maurice is ready to go exploring today to learn something new. So we do that, and then we're pressing start adventure. Maurice has started a new adventure. Maurice will have something to share with you after she completes today's adventure. And as you can see, our friend that's joined us is going on the adventure with us as well. So they have a few different little mini adventure or mini side quests that you can do. The top right, where the ship is shaking, we're going to click that. And you can see January season is Buccaneer's Bounty. And when you complete your energy goal, you are going to be able to claim some things. Now, as you can see, I have plus active because I was using this quite a lot. So we get to just claim some stuff and an extra thing. It's a lovely piece of clothing. And you can customize the color to whichever you want. Oh, the green's really cute, though. I think I'm going to go with green, actually. I usually don't. I usually go with an orange or yellow option. But despite the fact that my whole outfit right now is pink. We're going to go ahead and claim that. You have the option to equip it as well, but I'm not going to because I have on my winter outfit. You can notice also in the top right, there's an egg. If we click that, I have 2 goals completing until it's hatched. Now this is going to be a micro pet. I have a little polar bear right now, and I think I want to keep my little micro pet as a polar bear because he's so cute. But I have the declutter one section of a room, tidy space, tidy mind. If I get that done and I check that off the list, like let's say I've washed my face already. Now that I've completed the task and Maurice is on an adventure, 1, he'll come back sooner. 2, I do get rainbow stones, which we'll get to in the moment, but it'll give you like other options you can do for these. Side quest, a better self, 1 out of 2 goals completed for the day, so that's cool. This is what it'll do. Otherwise, it'll give you the energy boost that it has on next to it. So other little things you can do. So you can also just like customize your life. Oh, I just realized that was there. That's so cute. So I have different like options right here that I have made, just like cute outfits. I don't have a fall one for some reason. I think I fell off in the fall. But you can change clothes. And if we just go ahead and make our little dude naked for a second, you can go into body. You can customize all of the body things, right? And make things different there. Oh, wait. Oh my God. That's actually so cute. I think I'm going to keep it, but I don't like the beak color. Do I like this beak color better? Okay. We're going to keep him orange for now. I had more of a classic going, but this is super cute. You can also, of course, do your house and things. Right now, I'm transitioning into a black and white kind of mode, but I haven't quite collected all of the items for that. So to do that, you can go into this area here. And now our nice Mr. Pickle, he always gives us a gift every day of about 65 stones, depending. And then you can buy a bunch of stuff from him. So he sells the outfits and stuff. And then these ones are special items. They refresh daily, and you can always do a quick refresh and get new items to look through, or you can buy one. I'm not going to do that. But you also have all of these items, which are always going to be in the store. Which, oh my gosh, when did they get a teddy bear? Has that been there the whole time? Oh no, that's so cute. Okay, anyways, you also have the option for Finkia's furnishings, which you can try things on, right? Actually, do I want that door for my black and white? I'm not sure. I definitely don't know if I want that one. But also, that is so cute. So if you like decorating and doing different things like this, like, great option. I think I'm actually going to buy this one right here. Cute. And then you also have the color studio. This is where you can change all of your different body parts. Yeah, so this is the Finch app. There's a bunch of different things. You can invite your friends and have a bunch of Finchy babies hanging out with you. And yeah, the other really nice thing is that if you're having a troubled day and you need just like a little extra support, you're not finding what you want in this area right here to help you out, you can go down below in the bottom center and click the plus button, and it has all of these things. So you can find breathing exercises, you can find first aids, which is going to help with anxiety, panic attacks, grounding, different little things. They have soundscapes where you can do different little sounds and stuff. Like, how cute is it? And then it'll give you a time limit and all of that. And then as well as just like other little thing. Yeah, that app's really helped me through some times. Some really tough times. It wasn't the only thing helping me, but it's really helped. I don't know. There is some other stuff I was gonna say, but at this point, I don't remember what they were. My dog is just going ham on his toy out there. I'm exhausted, and I feel a lot better after the gym. But yeah, I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye.